Welcome to the PC Pal. Today, I'll show you how to save time with a quick and easy trick, creating shortcuts for shutting down and restarting your Windows 11 PC. Let's dive in. First, let's create the Shutdown Shortcut. Here's how. Right-click on your desktop and select New Shortcut. In the Type the location of the item field, type this command, shutdown/s/t0. After type, click Next, name the shortcut Shutdown, and hit Finish. That's it. You now have a shutdown shortcut on your desktop. If you want to make these shortcuts look cooler, let's change their icons. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and click Change Icon. Select an icon from the list or browse for a custom one as your choice. Then click OK and Apply. Next, let's create a restart shortcut. The process is almost identical. Right-click on the desktop and select New Shortcut again. In the Type this command, the location of the item field, shutdown/r/t0. After type, click Next, name the shortcut Restart, and hit Finish. Now you've got a restart shortcut ready to go. Now customize the restart shortcut icons. Let's change. Right-click on the shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Shortcut tab and click Change Icon. Select an icon from the list or browse for a custom one, then click OK and Apply. That's all for today's quick, easy tip. With these shortcuts, you'll save time and effort every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the PC Pal, and share it with friends. Thanks for watched. See you in the next video.